Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I've been cooking lots of things in my little oven here to save on energy because I'm fed up being ripped off by the energy companies. So this is what I cooked all at once. I've done some baked potatoes because I'm going to have them with this chicken. This is sweet and sour chicken. I bought a jar of sauce from Aldi for £1 and added some green pepper and red pepper as well. I've done my son's favourite chicken satays. They're in the dish under there. I've done some curried tandoori drumsticks. 2 pieces of plain chicken. One of them will be cut up for the dog and the cat, and the other one I'll have for lunch tomorrow with some mayo on a sandwich, and I've cooked 4 sausages as well. So lots of yummy food to do us for a good couple of days, maybe 3, and it's all being cooked in the oven at once, so it's going to save us lots and lots of energy. Thanks so much for watching, and keep calm and keep frugaling. Bye for now.